we will go check it out. What's inside? Okay, we have a couple stickers, instructions manuals. I'm gonna have to like read this over and properly install this later on. It is a solar, so it comes with a solar. This is really cool. Cost me like I think $30 or $40 or something like that. So this is what the solar looks like. Looks pretty neat, eh? Comes with two because I got two of them. It's a dual. Let's open it up. This looks really, wow, really nice. Okay, brand new off the box, open box. So we let that there. Same with the other one. Okay, and we'll open up one of the cameras. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Wow. Very sturdy, heavy plastic. Alright. And comes in 4D. And I'm gonna slowly install this in front of the door and the other one corner of the house next to the neighbor, because you need it facing the back and the front so that it could secure the front of the house and the side, which is the left, and the other camera and I'll put the other camera in front of the door, maybe on top of the door, but on top of the roof, facing the door so that I know somebody who's coming in. So that's what it looks like, ladies and gentlemen. And the dual cameras, 4D. I am going to mount it maybe later on today or tomorrow, depending on my time, because I've got a lot of editing to do and contracts that I gotta finish, and I have to finish those before I install this. But this is what it looks like. Very, very awesome, you know. There we go. There we go. Oops. Apple Play Store. Apple, and punch in U-Box. So I already punched it in. And scrolling up and down, this is the U-Box right there, and now I'm just gonna press install. So this is the U-Box. It's a download on my phone, and just click it and it'll pop up. The user agreement manual, privacy, just press agree, allow, UBA, and then log in, all the information. Okay guys, Canada, log in. So there we go. Congratulations, and we sent the validation mail to 3D. May email, please click the link in the email to complete the validation. There you go. Okay, it's basically saying no device added. Please click the button below. Add device. Add device. Click add device. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway. Set up device. Tap setup device, setup 4G device for the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. That, and it says turn on the camera.
On the device, the blue LED will light up after about 1 minute. Click next.
It says insert the SIM card. If you had inserted, no need. Install the antenna, then power on the device. The blue LED will light up after 1 minute. Click next. Okay, I don't have a SIM card, but I will add it later on. But anyway, you just open up the camera on the top, right up here. It's made of rubber, and just open up the SIM card and install it right there. Okay. Insert the SIM card if had inserted. No need. Install the antenna. Then power on the device. The blue LED will light up after 1 minute. Click next. This is the antenna. You take that antenna, which is the solar power antenna, and just install it in there. Okay. There you go. That's installed right there. Okay. Now you got that installed. I'll just leave that there. Okay. Leave that there. And leave this. Actually, I'll leave it to the side. I got the other antenna, and I'll put that aside because I got two right there. Okay. One thing that's great about this is that you have two for this great price. Then power on the device. The blue LED will light up after 1 minute. Plus the light solid.
Scan the QR code on the camera to connect to your phone.
Sweet. Okay. Turn on flash. Wow, you can see the camera right here. You can see my hand. Oops, I want to see if you can see it. Right there. So it is working. Okay. Sorry, right here. See my hand right there. So it's working on the camera. That means that I have to scan it. Okay, the camera. Hold on a second. The QR code right there in the back of the camera. There's a QR code. Turn flashlight on. Okay, oops. There you go. Now it's on. Okay, so now it's scanned. I'm gonna put this outside because it's probably gonna power up. And it says connecting to device. Connecting to device 8. It's counting down. I don't know if you can see it, but 20%, 12%, sorry. So it's counting down right now, right here. $97, $98, $99. Bingo, 100% guys. Okay. Device ID, number, device pairing, time out. Please check if the device indicator light is solid blue. Okay, so it's saying that the indicator, I didn't press it on, so you have to open up the bottom part right beside, and then you see a red. You see a red dot right in there. I don't know if you can see it, but hopefully you can. Let me see. Okay, there you go. Just click that. On. Maybe it's because it's not powered up yet, or it's not, but it's not blue yet. Okay, now it's blue. I mean, it's ready to go. There we go. Now it's. Please click the status of your device indicator light. It's blue. Indicator light flashing red and blue, alternate slow. Indicator light flashing red and blue, slow. Retry. Next. There we go.
Scan the QR code on the camera to connect to your phone.
Okay, I have to scan it again. I have to scan it again. There you go. So I have to scan it again.
Enter the camera name and address.
Okay.
Using default name and address can go to the next step directly.
Finish. The device. My home. Yes, finish. So, it's finished. It's already now set up automatically. Very easy to do. Just be a little bit patient and read the instructions from beginning to end. And download the software on Play Store or Apple Store, whatever you prefer. Okay? Press finish. Congratulations.
Installed successfully. Fully charge the camera at first use.
See, installed. Camera installed successfully. Please fully recharge the battery for the first usage. Okay. Okay. Whoa, the lights are on. Activated. See the lights? It's now working. See right there? You can see my picture. I'll put that right there. Right there. Okay. So now that the camera is working on my phone, the camera is right here. Okay. I'll put that to the side, and now you can see me on my phone. Okay, there we go. So now it's all set up, guys. Check this out. I'm loving this camera a lot. I'm pressing the remote control right there. Hold on a second. I don't know if you can see me here. Get me in focus. There we go. That it's moving. I'll show over here. We go up, and it's down, and it's also heat activated as well too. So I'm just letting you know that how the camera is working. You can see on the side. Hold on. There we go. About that. See that? It's panning left and right. Up and down. And then back. There you go. Okay. I'm gonna put this on here for just temporary until I get a wood plate. But right now I'm just gonna leave it there to see how it works. And then I'll install the other one on the other side of the corner of the house. Maybe in the back, but we'll see. But this is what it's gonna look like here. Okay? Zoom it in. There's the solar panels right there, and panning out to the side is where the hidden camera is at right there. So it's all set and ready to go.
mushroom. Is there any more? There? Okay. That's it? Okay. Here you go. Happy Halloween. All right.